Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Technical Chahaji. In this video I'm going to talk about the recent update which we got in OnePlus 6. Yes, I'm going to show you that how you're going to do the update of your OnePlus devices to Android 9. Yes, that's to Android 5. So I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Chahaji. So let's get started with the video. So this is the OnePlus 6 device as you can see, and to go to update your phone to Android 9, first you have to go to settings over here, and over the settings up to the bottom you can see able to see the system updates. So over here you can see this update is of almost 1.5 GB, and in the update you're going to get the brand new UI for Android Pie, new adaptive battery support, new Android Pie gesture navigation, and updated Android security patch to 2018.9, and other new features and system improvement. Plus there's another mode of do not disturb, new mode with the adjustable settings, and the new gaming mode with added text notification mode and added notification for third-party calls. There's another update which is of ASN color supported ASN color customization. So quickly let's get started with the download and install now. So as you can see, if you're already downloaded this update it on Wi-Fi only because of the size. So my update has been started right now of the downloading, and let's skip it to where we're going to reboot the phone. So you can see over here the system has been already downloaded, the new update has been downloaded, and now over if you can see the system update is installing right now on my OnePlus 6 devices. It's installing the Android 9 onto my devices. After this it will ask for a reboot. So you can see the system update installation has been completed, and now it's asking me to please reboot to finish the update. So let's reboot this device. As you can see it's saying that restarting, and here we go with the restarting process. So the device is getting rebooted, and don't forget to take your all the updates like contact, your images, even your music files. Don't forget to take any update before updating the OnePlus 6 device. As soon as the phone is getting rebooted, it's asking for the turn on location. Right now I'm disagreeing upon that, and the couple of notifications have been come down. Over here you can see that your scanning setting, Wi-Fi scanning is on. Your device may scan for Wi-Fi network devices every time, even when Wi-Fi is off, so that's okay. System has been updated successfully to the Oxygen OS 2.10.8.9 and the updated system to Android 9.0. So let me just show you the new UI for this Android devices. So this is the newer UI which we are getting with the Android 9, and another thing is the new adaptive battery support. So let me go, the new kill the apps has also been changed, and let me go to the battery support. So let me go back, and over here you can able to see the battery. The adaptive battery support is now been enabled on your OnePlus 6 devices. What the adaptive battery do? The adaptive battery will limit the battery for apps that you don't use often. So the adaptive battery will limit the usage of the apps which I don't use, and it will save the battery from that apps and give it to the most frequent apps which we are using right now. So the one more update which has come right now is of this, the screen. You can see the power off option, the restart, the screenshot, and emergency button over here on this phone. Right now it has been gained over here. So let me use it for couple of more days. After a week or maybe after 2 weeks I will do a detailed review about this phone. Might be in the camera department at what kind of new updates have been enabled in the camera as well, whether the use of the AI is been enabled in the camera settings in the camera app or not. Till then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video.